Hey guys, Attack Apple 96 here, and today guys I'm doing a comparison between the MacBook Pro 15-inch and the MacBook Pro 13-inch. As you know, this is my 13-inch MacBook Pro here on the right. I've had that MacBook Pro for about 4 months, and recently my parents just purchased that used MacBook Pro 15-inch. So the specs on these two machines, first of all, we'll start with the 13-inch. The 13-inch is a 2.26 gigahertz, Intel Core 2 Duo with 2 GB of DDR3 RAM and an NVIDIA GeForce 9400M graphics card. The hard drive on it is a 160 GB serial ATA. Also, this is my parents' 15-inch MacBook Pro. It is a 2.53 gigahertz Core 2 Duo with a 4 GB of DDR3 RAM, NVIDIA GeForce 9600, and 250 GB hard drive. So we'll start off here by showing you a size comparison of the two MacBooks. So you can see there's a significant size in these two computers. This one is a fair bit bigger than the 13-inch MacBook Pro. (13-inch) and 15-inch. Yep, and here guys you can definitely see the size difference of these two computers. So I'm going to show you the ports. First off, there we have a MagSafe power adapter. Second, we have a Ethernet port. Third, we have a FireWire 800, then a mini display and two USB 2.0 outputs. Also on the first for the mid-2009 model, I think, is the SD card reader, and then your audio in and audio out. And also, yeah, we do have this push the button and it shows you your battery indicator. Around the front we have our receiver, and over on the side we have the Kensington lock and the super drive. And then on the 15-inch, they're basically the same: MagSafe, Ethernet, power, FireWire 800, mini display, and two USB 2.0, SD card, and then we have a audio in and audio out are separate on this computer. And we're on the side here, and we just have the super drive and the mini display, or the Kensington lock. So now we're going to do we're going to restart these two computers. We're going to see how fast both of these computers will shut down. So I'm going to get ready here, and I'm going to click enter. So there, the 13-inch was, I could hear the fans, it was just a little bit before. Now we're going to do the boot up speed. The 15-inch is ahead by a little bit. So there you have it. 15-inch is 24 seconds, and the 13-inch is still going. So we got 24 seconds on the MacBook Pro 15-inch, Core 2 Duo 2.5, 4 GB of RAM, and then we have 40 seconds for the 13-inch MacBook Pro. But both these guys have, they both had reinstallations in the past week of Snow Leopard, so both of them have been reinstalled. It's just, there you have it. The 13-inch is a bit slower than the 15-inch, but they're both mid-2009 models, so that's it. So this here is the 15-inch MacBook Pro. I'm going to run Geekbench on this, and we're going to run it on 13-inch, but there you can see the specs of the 15-inch. Head over here, and we're going to click Run Benchmarks. So now it's going to run its benchmark and tell us what the speed of the 15-inch is. So we got a total of 3,581, which is a pretty good score. Now we're going to head over here to the 13-inch model. You can see the specs there on the screen. We're going to click Run Benchmarks on this too. And guys, the 13-inch is also running a few more programs. It has Final Cut Pro and Microsoft Office on it. So that may take up a little bit of space, but it's significantly faster 15-inch model. So that's clocking in at 3243. I can get up to 3250 out of this one, so 33,250 is the highest I've gotten out of this, and 36,020, or 3,620 is the fastest I've gotten out of this machine. So there you have it with the Geekbench. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned. I'll probably have a review of both of these machines. See you later.